Okay, so let's hop right into it. First off, I'm gonna take this E.L.F. It's upside down. This E.L.F. lip lacquer. This is in clear, and I'm gonna moisturize. They're already kind of moisturized, but I'm gonna moisturize them even more because that last video, when I watched it, it was a mess. My lips were a mess. They were dry.
Oh no, not the chocolate lips! Oh!
I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution London Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base, and this is in Halo. This is running low, but this is like one of my favorite things to cut my crease with. I'm just gonna take 1 dot because we're just using it for a transition shade right now, but we're gonna revisit it because today's look is a cut crease, so that's fine. This area looks a little pinky because I had pink eyeshadow on yesterday and it stained, but that's fine because today's look is gonna be featuring pink shadows, so that works out. I'm just gonna take a makeup wipe. Clean that up. So I'm gonna take this Morphe M433 brush, and it's a blending brush. It's stained, it's not dirty. And we're gonna start. I don't know if I should go like, I think I'm gonna go super light. We're gonna go into my Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna take pink, which is this color right here, and we're gonna pick that up with the M433 brush. I'm gonna pack and blend. Then I'm going to take my NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm gonna take this pink shade right here. Pick that up on the same M433 brush and put it directly below the pink we put for the transition shade. So like right there. Take my Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take this pink shade down here, and I'm picking that up on a Morphe 507 brush. It's like a detailed, like a detailer brush. Why did I squint when I said that? And we're gonna put that in our crease and outer V. I'm gonna go back into my Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this black and go right over that reddish pink we just put down, tapping off any excess. Okay, so now we got something that looks like that, but bear with me. We're gonna take that cut crease canvas we had before and put a little bit on the back of my hand, like that much. Then take your favorite brush to cut creases with, if you have one. This is my favorite, but any flat brush will do. This needs to be customized again because she does not stay in place anymore. She used to be stiff, like stiff. But today is not the day for customizing, so for right now I'm just gonna make her flat, like push her together and make her flat like that. Then I'm gonna take a little bit off the back of my hand because you can build but you can't take away from, and that is a rule of thumb. And I'm gonna cut my crease. So mine looks like that. And I'm going to take this Morphe M421 brush. I don't even know what to call this, but it's like a flat brush. And I'm going to take my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette. And I'm going to take the first two pinks right here, which is this pink and this pink. Oh, sorry, this pink and this pink. And just take a mixture of those two and put that on my eye. And once I have like a layer that's down and it's dry, I like to take a setting spray, and I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild Photofocus Cucumber 3-in-1 primer water, put some shadow on the brush, and then spray the shadow with the setting spray and go over the eye again. So it's basically like 2 dry layers and then 1 wet layer. And without adding any more product to the brush, I'm gonna take that 507 brush and blend out the edges on that. Some black, this black down here from my Take Me Back to Brazil Rio Edition palette. Tap off any excess. Then blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and do lashes and liner. I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black, and I'm using these lashes today. These are the I Envy Iconic Collection Natural Icon in number 30. Take my Urban Decay Perversion Mascara and use that to blend my real lashes with my false lashes. My CoverGirl True Blend Business Skin Primer Pore Minimizing. Take my E.L.F. Poreless Putty Primer. I put like that much. Then I'm going to take this well, I'm acting like I don't know what this stuff is. I'm gonna take this MAC Mineralized Skin Foundation in medium dark. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in Spicy Brown. This is the matte and poreless one. Take this flat top brush I got out of a set for Forever 21, and I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild Photofocus 3-in-1 primer water and coconut. Spray it all over my face. Straight here. I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna take my beauty sponge, MAC NC47, and I'm gonna take like 2 pumps of that on the back of my hand. This is MAC Prolonged Wear Concealer in NC45. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in Espresso, and we're gonna use that to contour. Looks like this. Let me start right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. And this So those are my spots for contouring. Buff those out with my beauty sponge. I'm gonna take this AOS Studio F14 brush, and I still don't know what my BH Cosmetics, excuse me, highlight and contour pro palette is, so we're gonna still have to use the NYX highlight and contour pro palette, and we're gonna go into tan. My MAC Mineralized Skin Foundation, because that's gonna prevent when we do our under eye, that's gonna prevent anything messing up the under eye. And then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me in medium deep. I hope my camera doesn't die before I'm done with the tutorial, because that would suck. And I'm just gonna mix the two. I'm gonna take the medium deep first. Then I'm gonna take that medium deep and go right over that. NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. Then I'm gonna take this Morphe M408 brush, and we're gonna go back into this pink color right here. And use that to line the waterline and the bottom lash line. I'm gonna take this Emori Naïve Diamond Glitter Eyeliner, and this is in number 8. It's the pink one. And put that on my bottom lash line. Just draw like a line going across. And then take that same smudge brush and smudge that out. Smudge me out. I'm gonna take this Essence Get Big Lashes mascara. It's a volume curl mascara, and I'm gonna put 2 coats on my bottom lashes. I'm gonna take, this is like a paintbrush I got out of a set from Michaels. And I'm gonna take my NYX White Base. Looks like that on the back. This Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, and I'm gonna take that pink we took earlier. I think we're gonna go back into the box of crayons eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take that pink. Ooh. I'm gonna take these Bling Stickers I got from Michaels. Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter and Molten Gold with this E.L.F. highlighting brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty Diamond Balm. Go over any area that I highlighted with said Diamond Balm. I'm gonna take my Ruby Kisses Auto Lip Liner in dark brown. Take my LA Colors Pout Lip Gloss Matte and Let's Kiss. Take a paper towel or a napkin and blot. Ruby Kisses Jelly Lippies Clear Lip Gloss and Mermaid. It still says Mermaid on the back. Spray my face with my Wet n Wild Photofocus Cucumber Water. And my Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I love how that smells. Then I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and just press everywhere except where the ribbon is, just to press that spray. And the ribbon and the eyes, and the lips, don't put the sponge those 3 places. That's the completed look, you guys. I hope you guys appreciate this look. I hope you guys like this look. If you do, give it a big... Something just fell. One of my crystals. Probably. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post videos. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 on Snapchat and Twitter, Shiley1990 Makeup on Facebook and Instagram. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.